Well, good morning, afternoon, or evening, folks. Well, good afternoon. Welcome back to Hudson Landworks. My name is Kyle. We are back out here at this house that we're building that y'all have seen the past couple videos on, and we got the framers out here now, and they are going to work, guys. Look, they already got the walls up and braced to the concrete already. Let's walk around and show y'all around a little bit. We expect the framing to be done probably in the next couple of days, get the roof going on, and hopefully be in the dry in the next couple of days too, so we can start working on the inside. But they are coming along with it.
All right, Kyle and I out here looking at lots. There's a customer wanting us to build them a house, and they've got it narrowed down to 3 lots that they're looking at. And we looked at one yesterday, and we're going to look at the other 2 today because they're actually fairly close to a house that we're already building out here. So got Kyle with me. Say hey, Kyle.
Hey guys.
We've come up here. This actually, it's a nice lot. It's a rural lot. It's actually on a gravel road off of a main road up there, but good high spot up here. Good place to build a house. I think it's 4 acres total, so it does drop off towards the back there, but good spot up high here to build a house right off the road. Anyway, what do you think of this spot, Kyle? What do you think of this spot?
I like it. Yeah, I think it's good. Good spot.
Yeah. Actually, some really nice trees back there. All of that. So, all right, we were just going to give y'all an update, let you know what was going on today. We're going to go look at another lot, and we'll tag it in right behind this one. All right, out here looking at another lot for these folks, and it's a nice lot. A little different. Of course, it's real low over here. You can see we got somebody came in. Folks that are selling the lot already put a little house pad in here, and they've cut some of that out. So they've done some work, which will help. What do you think, Kyle?
Yeah, it's got some work to do, but not as much as some of the other ones.
Yeah, really nice neighborhood. So that's a bonus. That's a benefit for sure. Nice houses. I'm sure they've got probably some pretty steep covenants. We hadn't seen any of that yet, so don't know what we're dealing with on that. And these folks are wanting, the barndominium style house. So sometimes you get in these neighborhoods with covenants and you may not be able to build that. So that's something we'd have to check out or have them check out on the front end. But the lot's nice. You do a lot with it. The yard, you have a lot more yard in this one than you would in either of the other 2 that we looked at, Kyle.
Yeah, you're right. You are right.
But I don't know, it looks like they just came in and kind of...
Yeah, it doesn't look like a house pad. It looks like they just kind of...
Looks like they just dug out in that hill.
And made it where you could put a house there after.
But you know what? I bet all of this is field. I bet they filled every bit of that right there.
All this?
Yeah. Yep, I guarantee you they cut. If you look, they cut into that hill right there. And they pushed all of that dirt right out here, this corner. So, but if we put the house back there and cut some more into that hill, I wouldn't want to put it out here. All right, well, it's interesting. But y'all can see we still got this snow and ice, this stuff. So y'all know we live in Mississippi, and this is day 13. Day 13. And it's finally started melting some yesterday. But the problem was we didn't really get snow. We got 6 inches of ice around the house. And ice just doesn't melt fast. I mean, even though the sun and stuff was hitting it, but we've still been going below freezing at night, and it's just taking a long time to get rid of all this mess. But we just want to kind of show y'all what we were doing. Got good framing going on at a house. We were able to dig that slab out. It was covered in ice. Able to dig it out and got framing started this week. And then we've got one we're trying to finish up. We got to get in and do some dirt work. We can't do it. It's too wet. And then we got several that are coming up that we're getting ready to start. So just kind of want to show y'all what we were doing today, looking at these lots. But y'all stay tuned.
We are back out at this second house that we're building, and I showed y'all the last clip of them starting the framing and everything like that. Well, they got the roof on now, and they're progressing really well now. If I can, I'm gonna get y'all a little walkthrough of the inside too, so I'm trying to stay out of these folks' way. It's still really muddy out here because we got all that snow and ice like 2.5 weeks ago now, and it is still here. So we're gonna try and get on in the inside. So it's pretty much the same kind of layout as the other house that we built. Front door entrance. This is the living room here, and this kitchen back here. Kitchen, master bedroom, bathroom, and then the second set of bedrooms over here. It's a little bit different layout because the other house, you know, the homeowner, she did a little bit of tweaking to the bathroom and the laundry room and stuff back there. So yeah, it's looking really good. We're gonna keep y'all updated on it and hopefully get y'all some more footage. So y'all stay tuned. We are back out here again. So we got a little bit of cleanup to do today. We're gonna do a little bit of cleanup inside too, but I think the HVAC guys are here and they're gonna be installing the AC unit and stuff. So, but good news is we got it in the dry. We got the wrap on the top, so if it rains, it won't get wet in there, leaking through the roof anymore. But today I think we're gonna be picking up all this extra wood and got a little burn pile going now. So I'm gonna come hang out with us, burn some wood. We'll be here.
All right, Kyle told y'all we were out here at this house this morning and got a few things going on. We're doing some cleanup, trying to burn some of the trash, and HVAC guys are out here getting started with their part, doing all the rough in and all that kind of stuff. So, but we're just sitting here taking a break, and we're thinking about something, and you know, y'all may wonder, say, well, what in the world do y'all do? You always got other folks out there working, and I'll just tell you that we do a little bit of everything. So yesterday we were at another house and installing countertops in the kitchen, and I've got a couple of pictures here. We'll put them up. Kyle will put them up and show you. So we were doing that yesterday. Today we're out here cleaning up, got this fire going and doing all of that, and then actually tomorrow we're going to be back out here at this same house and we're going to be installing windows and doors. And then we got another pad we're going to be starting, doing a little dirt work. So we do just a little bit of everything in addition to coordinating and, you know, acting as a general contractor on this site. So that's just part of having a small business, isn't it, Kyle?
Part of it, man, part of it.
Yeah, we do. We might have a shovel one day, a rake another, hammer one day, saw. Might be in the heavy equipment one day. You just never know. But that's kind of our life, and it's a good one. We enjoy it, and we're glad y'all are along for the ride. So anything else, Kyle? All good. All right, y'all be good. We'll bring you back in a minute.
All right, we are starting to wrap up a little bit for the day. Got a good bit burned. Looks a lot better out here now. The HVAC guys are still out here working. We're gonna go in and check on them. We were gonna come in and clean some in here today, but we didn't want to get in these guys' way. They are coming along real good too. They about got it done, wrapped up. It's nice, good deal. But now tomorrow we'll come in, get all this other trash up that was in here with the HVAC guys, and kind of sweep up some in here. And we got a new magnet thing that we're going to use tomorrow for these nails and stuff on the ground. We'll see how that works out, but man, it's coming along good, coming along real good. So come out with us tomorrow and we'll burn a little bit more and clean up a little bit more. So see y'all then. Good morning, everybody. We are back and we got our windows and doors in. So guess what we're doing today? We're going to be installing the windows at least today, and I think we're going to get somebody else to do the doors. But yeah, we got this big window which is not very light at all, and yeah, so you can laugh at us while we're putting that thing up and struggling with it. So come hang out with us for a little bit today, and then we're gonna do a little bit of cleanup in here. It's wet in here right now from all the dew, I guess, and all that kind of stuff. But hang out with us for a little bit, watch us put some windows up, and we'll be right back with y'all. Yep. In. You ready? Yep.
I'll hold it in the center. Let me check
we're about wrapped up for the day almost, and we got all the windows installed, got the tape on the outside for the moisture barriers. I think the black looks awesome. I like the black windows. And then the battery on the other GoPro died on the tripod, so you didn't see the back ones, but we got these installed too. Back here all done, and got the laundry room one installed. So we're rocking and rolling with it. The white inside with the black outside, I think it looks really good. So, alrighty, well, that's a wrap for today. So we'll see y'all tomorrow.